Good morning.
Morning.
Did you sleep good?
Yeah.
You did? You want to eat?
Yeah.
Or you want something to drink? I know. Royal's always thirsty. All right. Come on. Come on, girl. Since when do you get out your crib like that? Since when do you climb out your crib? Do you know how to get down? Did you learn how to get out of there?
Yeah.
You did? Let me see if she learned how to climb out this crib. Oh, did you learn how to climb down?
Yeah.
Oh, she does know how. Okay. If I take down another mattress, you probably won't be able to climb out. Good morning, Tia.
Good morning, dear.
Royal said good morning to you. I gotta take the trash out today, and I'm doing laundry.
Mom, give me help.
Manny,
Eat.
oh, you're about to eat. Go in there with your dad, okay?
Okay.
All right.
And give me help.
I love you too, handsome.
I need
All right, go ahead, QC.
Okay. I need you. I need you.
Go ahead.
Mom, we're about to do.
Hmm?
We're about to do.
Okay.
Mom,
Hmm?
you're about to do.
Good morning. Welcome to my vlog. So I just got up, got out the shower, got dressed. I actually been up since about 7 o'clock this morning, but the kids were still sleeping, so me and Big Manny just laid in the bed and had a little bit of cuddle time, one-on-one time. Well, Jeremiah was awake, but yeah. So now I'm about to make some breakfast and wash dishes. I'm doing laundry. Actually, I'm finishing laundry up, and yeah, so I have dishes and stuff I need to do. Darn it, I left my tripod upstairs. I need to go and get it. Put that stuff back, Royal. What is that?
Dad,
Do you want to show the vlog what you're looking at?
this.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making slime. Well, I'm not going to be making slime, but I have two special guests here today, Tia and Manny. They're going to make some slime. They're going to show y'all how they make their slime.
And my side.
So this is Manny. Manny, say hi.
And I gonna make.
Manny, say hi.
And I gonna make a design.
Say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
Say, all right, Tia.
Ow, ow, ow.
What color slime are you going to make today, Manny?
I gonna make pink.
You are?
Wait.
Green.
Mom.
I thought you wanted to make blue slime.
Yeah, there's no blue. I couldn't find the glue.
Yeah, I know, but I'm just saying.
But
That's what
I'm
he wanted to say.
pink.
He didn't know.
I am pink.
You want pink slime.
Okay, come on.
He's always saying that because of Royal. And he be telling Royal that's her favorite color.
Okay.
Like, Royal, your favorite color is pink.
So we have a bowl and a spoon. Manny,
Hiya. Oh,
stand up.
just say hiya.
Okay. So we
Hiya.
have a bowl, a spoon, and some food coloring. It's green, and we have some laundry detergent, and we have glue. So the first thing that we're gonna do is the glue. Manny, scoot back.
I know I gonna
Scoot
make
back. Come
slime.
on, pour it in. Come on. You have to be quiet.
I make it. I do it.
So, come on. Pour it in. Put it in there. Pour it all in there. Hey, okay.
It's going.
Good. Oh, wait.
I'm making a cake. I'm making a sand pie cake. You don't need this?
No.
I thought you need this.
Not yet. Okay. See, cover it in there. Man, scoot back so they can see.
It's coming out. It's coming
Yeah,
out.
it's coming out.
There's no more now.
Okay, so now we're going to get some more.
That's my favorite slime. How do you do that?
Oh, you're not using that glittery glue today.
I don't know like how what to make with that.
Oh, you need to okay.
Because we need contact solution.
Oh yeah, you did say that.
Okay.
Good job.
Gonna mix it.
She's using up all my laundry soap on slime as usual.
Look, I have it.
Sometimes.
I have it.
Okay, mix it. Mix it.
Good job, handsome.
Not bad.
Don't do it too fast. You don't want to spill it. Take your time and mix it slowly.
Okay.
Oh, the sun came out
Wait,
some more.
wait.
It's sticky and fappy.
I'm gonna go out there and do that dresser today. Sand that dresser, Royal's dresser. You paint it.
And you need this?
No, not yet.
That's not fair.
What? Put it in there. Some more.
You go off to your hands? No.
Yeah, I'm going to wash my hands.
I thought you said no. Baby. Hey. Mommy, turn it on.
What?
Oh,
What is it?
come here. Dad.
My laptop's in the way.
It's still in there.
I'll get it. Just
So
leave it alone.
it's getting there.
What did I say?
It's in there. No. Oh, it's still. You gotta put some here.
Hey, Manny,
Huh?
look.
I think the
You
house.
want to put the food coloring in?
Yeah.
I need to wash the bowl. Wait, hold on. No.
Can I make it?
It's
I'm
already.
going
Wait.
to use a crock pot.
Let's
so I can
make
make
it.
Stretchy.
Let's make it as this.
What? Manny, put that down. Put down. Wait. Now, and then you're going to put the food coloring in, okay? Okay, Manny? Okay, so I'm going to... Wait, hold up. I need to wash the bowl.
Ew.
Okay, so there's still glue in there. I'm gonna just... Okay, I don't know. Okay, you just laugh. Me? Okay, so I'm gonna just put it on the table, like just set it down. Okay, I'm gonna sit it down.
You want to see us make it slime?
Yeah, he's gonna put the food coloring in.
So how make the slime, Manny?
Come on.
What am I?
Wait,
Let's make it.
you're making this.
It's our
Wait.
slime.
Hey, Manny, mix it, okay? And there's still more glue in here. Wait. Hold on. Try to get the glue out. Here. Don't make a mess, okay? Yeah, see, it's coming out.
Yay.
Stay still. You're doing good. Just get it all out. Wait, what's So, wait, here. Manny, look, move your head. Okay.
I want to see it.
I think
And
that-
I is a scientist. And I is a scientist, baby.
Uh-huh.
And I is a bad scientist. I is a bad scientist.
Okay.
And so,
So, now we have this little piece of
I should poke this side.
Okay, so, Mom, I'm recording, okay?
gotta get this up here. Did I stand in here? I must have stood in here.
Okay, so I'm back and I rinsed out the bowl. It's clean. Then I just moved up the camera. Okay, and Manny is playing with his phone.
And I saw your iOS 8.
Okay, so here, let me see. There, Manny. Okay, so this is basically.
Okay,
what-
can I
wait,
get that sign?
Yeah, Manny.
Here.
Okay, wait,
Is that
Manny.
fun?
Manny, you got hair in it? Oh my gosh, and it's already dirty because you touched it.
Oh,
And this is dirty.
I
Okay,
have that.
so Manny, come over here and wait, yeah, you. Okay, come over here. And you're gonna put coloring food in this, okay? Here, put some. Squeeze it. You gotta squeeze it. Squeeze it. Squeeze it.
How the
There,
hurts.
wait, hold on. Let me put it all down. Cause there's barely anything in here. So,
Can I see it?
it is.
Oh. Can I have that on?
Yeah, down there. Just do this. Do that, okay? Wait. So this green is actually pretty. It's like really pretty. And this is buffalo sign. Okay.
Can I have it?
Yeah.
Can I have that
Wait,
one?
don't touch it.
Can I have that one?
Yanni, it's both of ours, okay?
Okay. I on the big one.
Okay. So now I'm gonna.
Cut and take me a piece. And I on the. Oh, come on.
Okay. Yanni!
And there's the R on.
Man, you better calm down.
There's the R thing on.
You started?
Yeah.
Can I get down?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so this is.
Like dip it in. And can I
No,
put it in?
no, Yanni. This needs to be dipped in. Because this is really.
And dip it in.
Yanni.
Can you make something on it?
No! Yanni!
What's he doing?
Oh my gosh. I told you.
You got it
not to
stuck
put
on my
that-
door.
I also passed.
This is why I don't want you playing with it.
that in there.
I apologize. Because I like it.
Well, I appreciate your apology, but you can't be like, you gotta be careful with this
I'm
stuff.
trying to make a house for
Don't
you.
put it on your clothes.
Do not put it on your clothes, Manny, because it will not come off your clothes. You understand me?
Okay?
Hey,
Go play with it at the table. Or
Here.
at this table.
How come his isn't like green?
Because he won.
Oh, he wanted it like that.
I'm done.
Here, let me put some in here. Oh. Oh. Oh,
My God, it's
Alright.
a slime is all green.
Wait,
Mom,
wait,
the
it's
slime is
sticky.
all green.
It's all green?
Yeah, it's all green everywhere.
It's all
There.
green everywhere.
We
Yeah.
have some in here too.
Can I have it?
Yeah. Hey.
No.
Wait. I haven't made slime in a long time. So,
It's here.
yeah. What?
Oh. This
Okay. Hey, here you go, Manny.
oh, I did.
There. It's just like this color. Okay? Okay, so I need some more.
It's all green everywhere on this side.
Okay, it's getting there. we were going to make this slime blue, but we don't have blue food coloring.
I designed a pink slime.
Okay. Well, we have neon pink. Not actually. No, don't put it on there. Put it on the table.
It's all everywhere on me.
What? So you have to do this then. Look, do this. Okay, do this. And then I'll show it y'all. I'll show y'all it too. So this is like perfume. Okay, so now it's done. Now I'm gonna close up everything. Then I'm just gonna close it. So closing everything up. Watch that. Okay? And have my bowl. Okay, and we have the glue, but it's all gone. Okay, so line there. Okay, don't get it here. That. Okay. So, okay, this is it. I don't really have to see my face. Okay, so this is it. It's green and it's really stretchy. And I guess this is his, but we're still
that's
gonna.
mine.
This is his. His is stretchier, and this is his too. But yeah, okay. So this is both of ours, and then he has his own one.
Come
This
on,
is
give me it.
Manny. Okay, there. Okay. So now I'm just gonna play with it. Let's see if I can make a bubble. Okay. Watch the tablecloth. Oh, I made a bubble.
Oh, I did poke it. I go poke it sometimes.
Do yours. Well, you have a little bit. Here, I'll make you a bubble, okay?
But I don't want the bubble.
You said that you want to pop a bubble. You want to
No.
pop it?
No?
Okay.
I got it.
Okay. Now I'm going to put it in the bowl. Oh yeah, and I have a container with slimes in it. Well, but, oh gosh. Okay, so I'm going to put this behind there. So I have a container with a container slime thing. Yeah, with one slime in it that is blue. And yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. This video was so short. But yeah.
Don't oil her, okay?
Okay. Mom, do you want to see our slime?
Huh?
Do you want to see our slime?
Yeah.
Okay. So she's gonna.
I make the tiny bubble! I make the tiny bubble!
Okay.
I make the tiny bubble like
Wait, don't let it fall. Sit down and put it.
Hold on, I know all of our spaghetti sauces in there.
Okay.
gay sauce. A gay sauce. I don't like the gay
I have
sauce.
lip gloss.
You don't like spaghetti sauce?
Yeah. But I do like the gay sauce.
Oh yeah, and we're getting a big jar of slime.
Blue.
Oh yeah, glue. I keep on saying that glue. At Target or
We're gonna get it from Sam's Club.
Sam's Club, and
It have it at Walmart. Was it Walmart? Or was it? Where did we see it again?
Target.
It was Target?
Yeah.
But
So
we're going to get it from Sam's Club.
yeah, we saw a whole bunch of glue at Target. We saw big ones. We saw these kind of ones, and I have clear glue and
We don't have spaghetti sauce? Are you
and
serious?
wait, I have clear glue and
The blue glittery glue?
the purple. The
Ah, okay.
wait,
And
Yeah,
I
the
have
purple. the purple
Mom, I need
glittery
purple.
glue.
I need purple. I need purple,
Well,
Mom.
I don't have
And
purple.
yeah,
And all the food dye is gone. I have to buy more.
You gotta get some
So,
more
yeah.
fruit dye cake.
into the ocean.
Who touched my slime? Macy, look! A bubble.
Look, Manny.
I got it! I got it!
See? And then look, a
We don't have
bubble.
any spaghetti sauce.
You see the bubble? Did you see the bubble?
It's a-
I cannot believe it.
Hey.
You can't eat it. You can't eat it. Oh. Oh, I missed
So
it.
if our slime like gets
Sappy.
hard and stuff, then we're gonna put it back in the
It's a
container.
triangle for me.
I don't know what I just
Where in
did.
the world?
It's a
But
triangle for
yeah,
me.
I'm gonna put it back in here.
Oh my god.
Okay, so Mom, do you think we're done with the video? Hey, Manny. Okay,
Not
So-
again.
okay, Manny, come on, Manny, Manny,
Again,
Manny.
the cat big.
Here,
I
here,
can't put it
here,
on there.
here, here.
I put on there again. I
Oh
can't.
my god.
I can't stop my own self.
See, I
I
told
can't
you.
stop myself.
You can't stop yourself.
Yes.
From doing what?
I can't stop myself. I put that sun on here.
Well, it's easy to get off. Whoa, not like
Easy.
if it was really sticky.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, I didn't know.
And my birthday is coming
Oh, no spaghetti
up.
sauce. And I need something.
And my
This one.
birthday and my Mickey Mouse.
And my birthday is coming up.
And my
And we
Mickey
might
Mouse birthday
we might film on my birthday.
Babe.
And it might be short because we're going to be at a hotel.
You can have my sign.
Probably.
Can I have
I'm
mine?
about to try to make. I don't have
Pickle.
apple cider vinegar, but I have this vinegar, white vinegar. I'm about to try to see if I can still, if it'll still work.
Okay, so we're done with the video?
Yeah.
Okay, so come on, Manny. Say make sure you like and subscribe, okay? Okay, so make sure you like and subscribe and make sure you share. And yeah, come on, Manny.
Comment below.
And yeah, comment below. Come on, get in. We're gonna say,
Selfie.
okay, say bye.
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 Bye. Bye.